Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack your RAR and zip archives on Asus ROG Phone 6. So in order to do this, let's open a RAR app. We've shown you how to download it in our other video. Now navigate to the folder that contains your RAR files. Open the file. Here, go for this arrow pointing up. Then browse. That way you'll be able to pick where the files will be unpacked. And here you can also change any extraction options, but it's not necessary. After everything is done, click on OK. And that way you'll unpack 3 of your files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.